another video, and welcome to Raohe Night Market in Taipei. Tonight we're going to check out some of the amazing food you can find here in Taiwan, so let's go check it out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second of your time and it helps me out a lot. A lot of travelers that I've spoken to have claimed that the most amazing food can be found in here in Taiwan, and I'm beginning to agree. It's a unique mix of Chinese, Japanese, and Western food, and some of the results can be pretty amazing. My first snack is called a Lungbingjuan, which is like a Chinese burrito, or like a spring roll. And it was 50 Taiwan dollars, which is, I don't know, $1.50 or something like that, US. But it's got cabbage and bean sprouts, some like spicy peanut sauce, coriander, some tofu, all wrapped in like kind of a tortilla kind of thing. My next treat is called Bingguo Bolo, which is like a fresh pastry right out of the oven with mango ice cream in the center. And it costs 55 Taiwan dollars, which is a little less than $2 US. That's outstanding. I saw him pull the bread fresh out of the oven, so it's nice and hot, nice and crispy. And the mango ice cream is amazing as well. My next treat, I forgot what he called it.
这个是葱饼.
But it's like a fried samosa with egg and veg, and it costs 45 Taiwan dollars, which is about $1.50. I also got some fresh cranberry juice. It's just blended cranberries, lime, and ice. That was 40 Taiwan dollars, which is a little over US dollar. And it's pretty fresh, pretty amazing. That's it, everybody, for the street food tour of Taipei. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.